this is Max. Welcome to Cecilia and Max's LEGO Reviews. Today is going to be another episode of Legos for Kids. Today we're going to review Ocean Mini Submarine, number 60263. It has 41 pieces and it is in the Lego City series. So we chose this because, well, it looked pretty easy and the shark and the mini submarine looked pretty cool. So this is the box and we're going to open it up and build it. Remember to watch until the end to see your positives and negatives about this set and give us a thumbs up below if you like Legos like us. Time. So poke it here. No, poke it. Ah, yay! Didn't go messy. So we have this piece here and we have bag 1. The shark, well, part of the shark at least. Then we have this thing. Give me it! Not sure what it is. Then we have this piece. And we have the instructions. Yeah. And then we have the instructions. And I think that's everything. Yeah.
Where's his eye? Where's the shark's eye?
So we don't need this.
Where's the shark's eye? Where's the shark's eye?
They're in this bag. Open it. So yeah, this actually looks pretty interesting, but not much there. So here we have the finished figure. So here we have the submarine and we have the little person inside. And here we have the arms which you can move. And in the back we have the sticks. And you can open this donut to take the person out. Here we also have the treasure box and the seaweed. And inside we have 4 diamonds. And then we also have this shark. It's a hammerhead shark and you can open his mouth and close it, which is pretty cool. So now Max is going to play and I'm going to give you the positives and negatives about this set. For the positives, the submarine is a very inventive design in a little tiny capsule, and it is interesting with the shark and the treasure box, and the colors on the submarine, I think they're pretty nice. And for the negatives, it's too easy to build and not much to play with. And there's not enough elements even for a 4-year-old kid like Max. And there's only 41 pieces. Legos should have at least 60. So, and the figure's uniform, it's unrealistic for going underwater with a submarine. So, the real question is, would we buy it again or not? The answer is no. It has 4 negatives and it's just not enough. Sure, maybe you could buy it to get it busy for you for 1 hour, like less than 1 hour, but that's not worth your money. So thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up below if you like Legos like us, and watch our video next week.